Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I get to share with you a few projects that I thought would be fun, featuring some Spellbinders items. All of these items are on sale right now as part of the Spellbinders Spring Warehouse sale, and I think you are going to be super surprised at the price of everything, and I hope you get a chance to head on over and check out. If you want some great deals on dies and stamps and embellishments, I think the Spring Warehouse sale is perfect for that because there's $1 deals and $2 and $3 deals. In fact, this here is the Party Spots embossing folder. I've used this before, and this is on sale for $2, guys. It's Spellbinders. Fabulous, fabulous deal. If you've been a fan of my channel for a while, you've noticed that I've used this border die set a lot. This is the Create a Slimline border die, and this has 4 border dies that are just fabulous. This is on sale for $5 right now. You can't beat that. I mean, this is great for so many different sizes. We're going to use this on our project, along with another die set. This is the I Dance die set. Now, I chose this one because it creates this real pretty flower, and this is a kinetic card die set. If you add the legs can kind of dance, or the flower can move. You know, you create a card to make it look like a little girl is holding, or a lady is holding the glue or the coffee or the flower. We're going to create a card using the flower, the glue, and the coffee, and not create the kinetic motion of it, but there is the option with it. So that's why I thought this was a great die set, because there's so many elements that you could create without creating the dancing girl. This again is called the I Dance, and this is, are you ready? This is only $3, guys. So you can create, let me remove my sticker. You can create a glue, a coffee, the dancing girl, bottom half, of course, and then you have the beautiful florals in here. So we're going to create with this. And then to go with this, this is a stamp set. It has a lot of fun sentiments that coordinate with the coffee and the glue and just every day. This is the We All Dance sentiments, and there is actually another one of these that are on sale for $3. It has the beer mug. I created a card with it previously. I'll leave a link at the end, a video using the other die set too. I think I used them both in the same video. But this goes perfect with it because you have Best Mom, Mom's Day's around the corner. You have Dad, Best Dad, number 1, and all of these would fit. Let me find it for you. Okay, I found it, and this is the one that is for a gentleman or a boy. You can see that this one has the little award symbol. It has the beer mug. This is called Let's Dance, and I think this is on sale too. So this is another one of those die sets that has multiple uses, not only a kinetic motion, but multiple uses. And I think this is $3 too. So great deals going on. As I was digging through it, my stash, the clear stamp and die of the month, if you missed it, these are on sale. I think this is the Have a Chill Summer. And then there's a coordinating die set. And both of these, well, they're $5 each. You can't go wrong with that. I love the ice cream. I just think that's perfect for summer. If you have a glimmer machine, the glimmering layered flowers is on sale. This is a fabulous starter flower set because you glimmer the flowers and the leaves, and then you can die cut them out. So it's a glimmer plate and die set. This is only $3, guys. Fabulous, fabulous deals. If you need a background stamp, the Simple Stripes is on sale for $5. So, and there's tons more. So I just wanted to share this out with you because I'm a sale shopper, and usually a lot of the items that are on sale right now, I've already created videos with some of the products in there. So if you didn't get it then, I think this summer or spring clearance warehouse sale is the time to do it. So these are the items we're going to use. I'm going to jump in, quit jibber jabbering, and we're going to create 3 pretty simple cards. First, what we're going to do is take our Party Spots embossing folder. Now, if you're watching this video a week from now or a month from now, I'm not sure when the spring cleaning warehouse sale is over, but the link will just be invalid if it is, okay? But fabulous deals. $1, $2, $3, $5, and so forth. Lots and lots of stuff on sale. But we're jumping in and getting started. First, we're taking some brand new, I think this is a brand new fog cardstock if you want to pick this up while you're shell shopping. Spellbinders cardstock's really, really nice, and this is a very pale gray, and this is new. And we're going to start by taking 3 panels. These are A2 panels that are 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and I'm going to place them in my embossing folder. This is again the $2 Party Spots embossing folder. Just like that. I'm going to leave some hanging out. And this way I have a smooth surface to stamp my sentiments on, but I have some texture on the bottom. I'm going to run 3 panels just like this through my die cutting machine. So I have my 3 panels, and this one got a little bit crooked, but that's okay because we're going to put a border on it. Right now I'm showing you them with the smooth side on the bottom, but we're going to actually flip it around to where all of the smooth sides are going to be on top. Now I'm going to take my Create a Slimline border, my $5 die set. I just love good deals because we work hard for our money, and I think if you can get a good deal, I think it makes life nice. Okay, so these are the 4 dies. What we're going to do is take some white cardstock. Now we're going to create 3 borders with all 4 of our dies. Now this one has a polka dots, and then it has a cut line. Okay, you could layer these together. In fact, that's what I'm going to do with this one. This has a scalloped edge on the bottom, and then the top is open-ended. Open-ending mean if I die cut this out, the top won't die cut, just the bottom. So I'll have that lacy border on the bottom. But if you add this right over the top, it will cut it out together. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to tape these down. And then with this one, I'm going to line this up on the edge. This one's open-ended too. So if I were to die cut it like this, my panel will still be intact. It just has a decorative border. Let me die cut this out and show you. I'll just line this up on the end. And then with this one, I'm going to add this too, but I'm going to take this scalloped edge here that we're going to die cut out, and I'm going to make sure the cut line is on top, and I will die cut this out too. So this will cut out a full border. I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. So here are my borders. Now this one, again, I added the polka dot and the cut line like this. With this one, I layered these 2 together to create this. Isn't that so pretty? This one here, I did the same thing, but just used this one. I layered them both together, and then this die cut this out. And then this one, remember I put it along the edge like this. The edge already had, of course, if I were to do the same thing on this edge, it would look the same on the bottom. So this is a very versatile die set, and I love that. I just want the border on here. I don't want the extra white cardstock, so I'm going to use my paper trimmer and trim that off. There we go. So we have a really pretty border, and if you want to put cardstock behind it, that makes it. I think I've used this so many times in my videos because it is such a versatile border set. So this is on sale for $5. Nice. We'll put all these back, and now we have our borders. we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of die cutting using our I Dance die set. And I picked some colors of cardstock that I could use for all of my cards. We're going to make 3 cards today. This is Lunar Gray. This is Dahlia. This is Peridot. Oops. And I just dropped my paper here. And this is Chamomile. I thought these all work together beautifully. For my coffee, I'm going to bring in some more white cardstock. We'll die cut out the coffee cup and the glue bottle with white. And then there's the flower center, which I just love this flower center. And then we'll die cut out 2 of each of these. Now I have everything die cut out. Now some of these, and I did go ahead, I went, this die set doesn't have a heart die, but I did die cut out some chamomile hearts for the label and then also for the coffee cups. I just went through my stash, found it, small heart that would fit in here, and those are not part of the die set. I do want to mention that, but everybody I think has heart dies. Now, I want to also share with you that some of these sentiments in our We All Dance sentiments will fit, like Hello Friend. These Seize the Day. Some of these Stuck on You, how cute, will fit in the labels too, which makes it really nice. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just use our glue and put together with no dimension. We'll do a quick and easy put together here. We have our coffee cozy. There is deboss detail in these, so you know exactly where to put everything. And I'm just going to go ahead and create our coffee cups first. Super easy to put together. I love my coffee cups. And our coffee is almost done. I do want to add the heart to the center here. And again, if you want to stamp a sentiment on here, you very well could. But I'm going to use the larger sentiments in our stamp set for these cards. So our coffee cups are done. I'm going to flip these over. We'll put some foam squares. Those are done. The flowers, all I'm going to do is just layer them together. If you wanted some dimension, you could pop the layers up. But I'm just going to do quick and easy and layer these together. And then we'll add the flower center, which is very detailed, very pretty. Okay, so we have our flowers done. I'm not going to add the leaves till later on. I'll flip these around. We'll put a foam square behind here. As far as our glue goes, you add the label right in the middle. And then you can add your glue lid. And then you can add the top of the glue bottle. There's a little section that will glue to. So all of those are all done. Now to create our card, I'm going to take my panel. Again, the flat edge is right on top. We're going to stamp our sentiment here. Before we do that, I'm going to add our borders just at the seam where you have the flat, and then it goes to the embossing. So I'm going to use my tape runner for this. And we will add our borders to each one of these. So now we have our card bases ready to go. Now it's just a matter of where we're going to put what. But before we do that, let's figure out where we're going to add. I think the flowers are going to go better over here. And I think those are good spots. So the smaller border will use the bigger flowers, but I do want to stamp my sentiment first. There's even Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, Happy Birthday, but I'm going to stamp Hello Friend with the flowers. Just so I know I will get a great impression, and I will lightly tack this down. I'm going to stamp Hello Friend over here. For this one, I'll use my VersaFine ink. Wonderful. And then for this one, we'll put this one in here. Wonderful. And then for our last one, the one with our coffee cup, I'm going to stamp Sending a Cup Full of Hugs. We'll stamp that with our black ink also. We're going to finish off by removing the release paper off of our coffee cup. And we're going to just crisscross these. I think that's a good spot. And our glue. And then our flowers. Just love the versatility of stamp sets. I'm going to use glue for the leaves here. And I think that's just the right amount. I'm going to finish off my cards with a little bit of sparkle. I'm going to be using my diamond stickles, and you could of course put a gem in here, but I'm going to add a little sparkle to the flower centers here and to the hearts on the glue, and also to the hearts on the cups. And then that finishes off my projects today using a few spring cleaning warehouse sale items. Fabulous deals. Can't go wrong with the $2 embossing folder, right? I'll leave links down below if you guys want to do a little shopping today. If not, you can pull from your stash and create some quick and easy cards from your Crafty stash. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.